Question 1. Do you like freedom and money? If yes, congrats, you're already qualified.
Do you need another certification? Or just the guts to own your brilliance?
You don't need another course. You need to believe you already know shit worth sharing. When you think of charging high ticket, do you feel lit up or low-key nauseous? If the universe sent a sign, it'd probably be this video. Or your last Target receipt. What if your fear of being too much is just your power warming up? You're not underqualified. You're just over-attached to perfection and someone else's opinion.
Click subscribe, join the Eveolution, or wait until I appear in your air fryer to scream it again. Are you waiting for permission or pretending your dreams are hydration goals?
If you weren't qualified, would your subconscious really keep dragging you back here? Does this dream drain you or secretly turn you on? When you think of quitting, what part of your body tightens up first? Are you scrolling for signs or stalling with style? Would you still coach if nobody clapped, except your future self? If you're scared to charge more, ask yourself, would you rather be liked or paid? Why are you hiding your gifts behind Etsy candles and self-doubt? If this dream was someone else's, would you already believe in it? Start your coaching biz. Start your movement. Join the Eveolution. We're building empires from inner knowing.